Attention inventors, does this sound like you?
Hey, that's my idea.
I thought of that years ago.
I should have gotten a patent.
Who's cashing in on your idea? Do you need a patent? Call 1-800-949-1672. InventTech will help you protect and market your idea. We'll send you a free inventor's kit and a free DVD with your confidential submission. Call now, 1-800-949-1672.
He and B.B. King have a lot in common. We both have diabetes. He doesn't like to wait for results. I don't like to wait.
All done within 5 seconds. Now, you just can't beat that.
Ask for One Touch Ultra. One Touch changes everything.
Hi, I'm John Scherer, CEO and founder of Video Professor. Now, I know many of you have seen me for years on TV offering my free computer learning lessons on CD-ROM. And I know you need to have computer skills.
I would feel less stressed if I knew computers.
You've seen the great things many of my 5 million customers have had to say about my product.
Video Professor. That's the way to go.
I would definitely choose the Video Professor.
You've seen how easy it is to learn with Video Professor. You just pop in the disc and follow the simple step-by-step instructions. You know, the lesson plays right on your computer screen, and it works just like a VCR. It's so simple, anyone can do it. You've seen all this. You need the computer skills, but you still haven't called me to take advantage of my free computer learning CD offer. Now, is it because I'm making this offer on TV? Well, you know, I can't find a store that'll let me give these CDs away free, so TV's about the only way I can get my free offer to you. Or maybe you haven't called because you don't believe that Video Professor really is free. Well, let me assure you that it is real, and it's free, and it's a complete 1-hour lesson. And I give it away on TV free because I know that once you try my product, you'll come back to us for all your computer learning needs. You just pay a small shipping and processing charge, and I'll even refund that if you're not 100% satisfied. So before you say there's no way I'm ordering off TV, ask yourself, do you need the computer skills that I'm giving away free? If the answer is yes, then pick up the phone, call, and try any one of my products. Hey, it's a TV offer, but it's better than any offer in any store anywhere. So, try my product.
Call Video Professor now for your free lesson. Call now and this free gift will be yours. The Anytime Organizer is the calendar, diary, address book, and journal on your PC. Remember, you must call now to get your free CD and the extra free gift.
Call 1-800-905-2128.
Got an itch? Scratching tears up skin. Maximum Strength Lanacaine saves your skin from scratching with maximum anti-itch medicine and antibacterial to help kill germs. Lanacaine stops the itch, saves your skin.
Well, who would have thought that selling a burger could cause such a firestorm? Paris Hilton is selling burgers for Carl's Jr., but the Parents Television Council believes she's really selling sex. The 1 million members of the group intend to protest the ad. Here's ABC's Jake Tapper on